2023-12-26. Hoist the Sales Captain. Thailand Hua Hin. The new year is at the door, eagerly knocking to enter. I have an endgame with 2 intermediate goals, that's my plan. We'll see what life has planned. Morning tea has cooled and first machine-washed clothes is ready and today's activities will soon begin. But I have a little time left to look over the to-do list for 2024. Spanish NIE number. Insurances. Drone laws as it can bring some work etc. The more fishing rods you have in the water the greater the chance of catching a fish and go to sleep belly full. If it weren't for the driver's license, I would only need a stopover, emergency landing, in Sweden for onward transport to the next country where I will work in an archipelago restaurant, when I sign the agreement. This is both a short and long-term plan. If I make it work, I believe that with this I am on the way to getting myself a base, 4 walls and a roof. First time since the 90s. When will I leave for Sweden and for how long, we'll have to wait and see. It's all to the system here, no fuss might make it possible to stay a bit longer. I do not want to buy winter clothes for only a few weeks and the shorter of time I have to stay in Sweden, only for the driving license, the better in many ways. But, it's time to clean the deck and prepare to hoist the Sales Captain.